So good morning friends. So finally we are going towards Hamta Pass, but we came to know that it is off season, so it would be closed. So we will try to go as far as possible. So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today it's not just a trip, it's an experience because we are heading to the breathtaking Hamta Pass trail, specifically the magical meadows of Cheka. Our journey starts in Manali. From here, we drive 20 kilometers uphill to sleepy little village called Setan. Trust me, the drive itself is worth the trip. The winding roads, thick pine forest, and the crisp mountain air, it's like we are entering the another world. Along the way, we pass through lush deodar, oak and pine forest, and every turn feels like a screensaver. And the peace. Oh, it is the kind you don't want to come back from. About 5 kilometers ahead of Setan, we reach at Jobri, a small but significant point. Why? Because this is where the Hamta Pass track officially begins. There is even a small hydropower project quietly nested between this Jobri place. We got here early in the morning, excited and geared up, and full of energy. And what is our plan? To trek all the way to Cheka, the first official campsite on the Hamta Pass route, and return by evening. Since the full trek take 4 to 5 days and comes around 26 to 28 kilometers. Today's short journey in a perfect taste of this iconic trail. And yes, we came prepared. Food items, spices, the cooker, utensils, some firewood, the most important thing, good company. We have three dogs we found with us in this track, and they keep following us even after this bridge. They joined us on their own and stayed right to the end. The silence here is surreal. You will find a small food stalls when you start the trek, and Hamta Pass trek is considered a moderate one, like ideal for beginners who want a mix of beauty and challenge. And here's a fun fact: this pass connects the lush Kulu Valley to stark high altitude desert of Lahore. Pretty cool, right? But then came the moment where we all were very nervous. This river that I showed you was difficult to cross. This is called Rani Nala. From it looks chill, but don't be fooled, that water is ice cold and rushing with power. Look at the views in front of me. These dogs, just showing us the way. Hello friends, so it is for us quite a while trekking. Actually the main route was this snow area, but we cannot able to walk over the snow, so because it is very fresh, so we have to pass through river, as you can see.
हेलो भाई, काफ़ी टफ है, चलते चलते हालत ख़राब हो गई है, पर आगे पहुंचना है तो चलना तो पड़ेगा।
हाँ, सही बात है।
दो हमारे बंदे देख सकते हैं आप, ये आगे पहुंच गए हैं।
So it is almost untouched by the human population. You can see there is no home, no any human interaction. So it is very peaceful.
No kind of any kind of habitation. No कोई habitation नहीं.
Yeah. So that is a very beautiful thing about this place, and that is bringing us so much happiness.
Very peaceful place.
Yeah. So I think we will need to take some rest because we are trekking from morning
Yeah.
and
अभी almost 1 किलोमीटर और चलना है. After one kilometer, we can halt then. उससे पहले नहीं भाई. अभी तो चलना पड़ेगा.
we have to find a place where we can cook something for ourselves.
अभी lunch बनाना है. हाँ.
So friends, this is the Rani Nala. You can see the flow. It looks easy in the camera, but it is very difficult to cross. And the water is super chilled. And another thing was that there was somewhere was a bridge which is used to cross the river, but we didn't find. We were told that there will be a bridge, but I think we gone something wrong, and so we couldn't find the bridge, and we have to cross the river, this chilled water. And after about 2.5 hours of trekking, we are just going to arrive near Chika. We finally crossed the river, and two of our friends are coming. As you can see, Mr. Charlie Naresh. They take a different route, and another one is coming. But the major challenge was for the dogs. The 3 dogs were coming with us, but they were not able to cross the river. They were not able to cross. Let me show, if I can show you from here. You can see. No, the one dog has finally find the route. Wow. They were struggling to cross the river, but somehow they find it. As you can see, he's coming towards me. The other one is coming, and we are just heading, and we will stay up there. Wow, I thought they will not be able to cross the river, but they crossed. Amazing. So finally guys, after about 2.5 hours of trekking, we arrived at Chika. Wow, it is just wow. We are around 10,000 feet. This place is pure magic. As you can see, there is a waterfall here, and there is no any human besides 4 of us. We are only 4 people here. It is almost like there is no habitation, and there is no rush of any any other human. So it is very calming and great experience. So here we will cook our lunch, and we have collected some firewood. As I was collecting some firewood from near the river, I found the essential like that easy to burn, the easy burnable woods. And here we will burn the fire, and water we have the glacier water that we will take and try to make the food. And it is wonderful to be here. I tell you, this is so much peaceful. Like cool wind is blowing all around. You can see the snow. The 3 dogs with us, and even the dogs are very tired. They took a break quietly near the fire like a seasoned tracker. And let me tell you, food never tastes as good as it does in mountains. We are going to make the hot fried rice in this cold breeze, and we thought that we have to cut any like tree or something. So we bought the eggs, but there's a lot of wood there if we pay attention. And luckily, they are easy to collect, and not many efforts we have to made. And you can see the pine trees, the deodar trees in front of me. This valley and meadow area is like heaven. This right here, and so we have all the essential food items like onions, the potatoes, all the masalas. So we decided our duties, like who will bring the water, who will get the woods, and so that we get it fast done this lunch. And our dogs were hungry too. They traveled and showed us the path all along. And as the afternoon slipped away, we knew it was also we have to head back like before night, so that we can reach in time in Setan and travel back to Manali. So a lot of things needed to be done in this beautiful atmosphere in Chika, and we are enjoying making the lunch here.
तेज हवा में यहाँ पे हमारे टैंगो चार्ली द्वारा भरपूर प्रयास। हे प्रभु भूखे मर गए तेरे दबू क्या हो।
So guys, finally our food is being cooked and is ready, and we also have to get back in time, so we are doing it like in speed time. I enjoyed this valley a lot. This is the wonderful and one of the most amazing mountain places I have ever visited till now, and the experience cannot be expressed in words, trust me. This is such a heaven. You must also visit this Chika.
Hello friends, so finally our track is completed. It is about 5 p.m. in the evening, and we are heading towards Setan, where we will stay. It is about 5 kilometers track. We will try to reach as soon as possible before the sunset. As you know, because we have only one torch, it would be very difficult to go in the night, and it is going to be very cold temperature. So yeah, just heading back now. So let's see if we reach in time.
It's amazing how a single day trek can give you stories, memories, and smiles that last a lifetime. This was the bridge that we were not able to find initially to cross the river, but we'll remember this Chika place a lot. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Until we meet again.